These instructionals are made possible by the sale of the Drill America DA 1903 drill rifle. More about that at the end of the video. Hey drillers, my name is Adam Jupe. I'm here to guide you through the Drill Dojo curriculum and teach you rifle exhibition drill. I'm going to show you everything that you need to learn from start to finish. And in these series of videos, the Grow series of videos, you're going to find tips and tricks and thoughts and ideas on how to build style into not just your team, but into your solo exhibition drill. All right. So a lot of people approach these videos with the mindset that what I teach is the only way to do things. That's just not true. And in fact, that's something that in the community we're trying to address. We want things to grow and expand and people to have their own styles. So this series of videos is here to think about and introduce some critical thought about what do we do with these tricks and how do we consider implementing them as part of a team style or as part of a soloist style. And what else can we do other than just what the trick is, right? And so port spins are very simple. They're deceptively simple. And I think, number one, if you're a very beginner and you're just checking out this video, think about your left hand pin. When your left hand leaves the rifle, there's that opportunity here to get a very strong hand pin, okay? So that's going to be down here. When the right hand is not touching the rifle, you want to hit that hand pin before coming back up. It's a big motion. It makes a big difference. I think team-wise, if you're looking for a little beginner trick that can elevate you past other teams using this trick, right? Pay attention to where you're stopping the rifle. If you stop it at the midsection, this is great for going back to port, but you can actually get a better stop going high with the rifle. You can also get another sound in there. Okay? Veering past that, right? So the port spin is the most basic counterclockwise rotational spin, okay? It's the most basic spin that goes this way. And it's the backbone of things like the rising sun. So anything that applies to other tricks above this will also apply to the port spin. I think the biggest opportunity in team drill that's being missed right now is that port spins don't have to be stopped with the hands. Port spins can be stopped with the arm, right? If you invest some time into figuring out what you can do, because it's not going to be easy to go to here and then back to port, but you can think about adding some of these extra beats to it. You can let go and do a double port spin. A lot of people don't realize that this is just a single spin in reverse and brought back around. I'd like to see fake outs too. You might be able to like use your legs to pop it back around. Maybe over twerking. There's, when people think about tricks of being solved, this is one that's been solved, but no one's being extra creative with it. And that's where I would invite you to spend a little bit of time to think about, well, what can be creative about it? How can you accentuate just a port spin into something more than just a port spin? And I think the easiest answer is going to be using things that aren't your hand to physically stop it. But explore. I think that if you think about it hard enough and you look for a team identity around it, you're going to find a really cool answer. All right, so that's where I'm going to encourage you to start embracing and thinking about how to elevate your port spin to become truly yours. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Adam Jupe, and happy drilling.
Hey, are you looking to own your very own drill rifle? Trying to earn more sling qualifications in the curriculum? Looking to improve your team by improving your skills at home? Look no further than the Drill America DA 1903 drill rifle, a drill rifle trusted by thousands of units worldwide. The Drill America DA 1903 from DrillDojo.com has been built from the ground up using feedback from world championship drillers, including myself. Bar none, this is the best fully assembled rifle that money could buy. Perfect for teams and rising soloists. You can get one by clicking the link in the description.